Hello students, welcome back to our channel. This is Manjanath Mandari. In the previous class, we were doing the exercise of a linear equation one variable, exercise 2.4 till we have completed the 10th problem. The remaining problems in today's class will be completed. Okay, students. One more thing, please like it and share it. Okay. So today's first question till we have completed the 10th question. Today's first question is 11th one. 11th question is that by choose father. I will be reading out the question. The textbook in the textbook you read it. I will be giving the solution. Okay. By choose father is 26 years older, younger than by choose grandfather, and 29 years older than by choose. The sum of all the three ages is 135. What is the age of each one of them? Okay. Now I will write the points. By choose father. Right. Students. Baichu's father is 26 years younger than Baichu's grandfather. So, Baichu's father is 26 years younger. Younger we take it as minus, older we take it as plus. 26 minus Baichu's grandfather. I am writing in shortcut. Okay. Second point, Ain. Ain is there means Baichu's father. Ain. Baichu's father 29 years older than Baichu's. Okay. If all the three of these ages is 135, so I take Baichu's plus Baichu's father plus Baichu's grandfather. All three of age is 135. Now, what is the age of each one? We have to find out the age of each one. So I will convert all this into a Baichu's father. First, Baichu's father is there. So Baichu's father, Baichu's is there. So I convert into all in Baichu's father. So here I can write it as B as BF minus 29. Okay. I can write this one as this one. Is like plus I will keep it Baichu's father as it is. Next Baichu's grandfather. So I will keep this side. So we get as Baichu's father plus 26 is equal to 135. Now student Baichu's father is 3 is there. So I will take it as 3 here. This one we simplify means we will get it as minus 3 is equal to 135. If you take this one, we will get it as 3 Baichu's father is equal to 138. So Baichu's father we get it as result as 46. Now Baichu's father is 46. We can find out Baichu's value from here. So what is this one? 46 minus 29 we get as Baichu's. Okay, so we will get as Baichu's value as 46 minus 16 minus 9 means 7. 3 minus 2 17. We get as Baichu's as 17. So now Baichu's grandfather, what we get? Baichu's grandfather is here. Here we get it as Baichu's father is 46. 46 plus 26 we get as Baichu's grandfather. So if we add both 6 plus 6 12 72. 72 is all is the required answer. Okay. Any doubts? If any doubt is there, please comment me on the comment section. I will clarify it. Please note it down. Students, I will go to the next problem. Okay. Next problem is 15 years from now Ravi age will be 4 times his present age. What is Ravi's present age? Okay, you must know the concept first. 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times. Ravi is there. A person name is Ravi. 15 years from now means plus 15. 15 years from now, his age will be is equal to is equal. Will be is equal to 4 times his present age means 4 times of Ravi's age. This is the question. We have to find the Ravi's age. Ravi, we have to find this age. So we will take it as you take this line R means 15 is equal to 4r minus r means 15 is equal to 3r. 5 is equal to Ravi's present age is 5. Ravi present age is 5. Okay, this is a required solution. Okay, sure. Note it down. I go to the next problem. Next problem, 13th one. A rational number is such that when you multiply it by 5 by 2 and added 2 by 3 to the product, you get minus 7 by 12. What is the number? A rational number. Let rational number be x. Let rational number be x. Is such that when you multiply it by the rational number is multiplied by 5 by 2, 5 by and added 2 by 3. The product we get means is equal we get minus 7 by 12. What is the number? So we have to find the x. This is the question. Words are given. We have to write it as in this question. Okay, students. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ ವರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Okay, now I simplify it. So write it as x 5 by 2 as it is. Shift into this side, we get it as minus by 12 minus 2 by 3. Both LCM we can take. If we take LCM 12 will become the LCM. So 7 as it is. Minus 7 is there, minus 7 minus 3. 3 4s are 12. So into 4. 4 2s are 8. So what we get? X is equal to 5 by 2 is equal to minus 15 by 12. 5 ones are 5 3s are 2 ones are 2 6 are. So x is equal to minus 3 by 6. Further simple we will get it minus 1 by 2. This is the required answer. Minus 1 by 2 is the required answer. Okay? This is very easy. Please note it down. I'll go to the next problem. So students, next question is Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She has currency notes of denominator 100, 15 and 10 respectively. The ratio of these notes are 2, 3, 5. The total cash Lakshmi has 4 lakhs. How many notes at each denominator does she have? So 14th one. Here is the Lakshmi who works in bank. She has 4 lakhs. She has 4 lakhs rupees in with her. They have denominator. So they have denominator 100 rupees, 50 rupees and 10 rupees. These are the denominator. These are the denominator and are in the ratio. 2:3:5. These are in the ratio. We have to find how many notes. He has. So for that total we have to find multiply for both of these. We have to multiply. Then only go. So with ratio we do not know. We take it as x. Now multiply both. We will get it as 200x plus 150x plus 50x. If we add all three for this one, we are considering as. So now second main thing, we have to add all these things. 200x plus 150x plus 50x is equal to 4 lakhs. Okay, students. If we add all this, we will get it at 400 x is equal to 4 lakhs. So we get x is equal to 1000. We getting x is equal. So this is the ratio. We have to find this one is in the ratio. So the coins total notes, how many we have? Total notes. This 200 rupees note we have 2x. So 2 into 1000. We get as 2000 notes. 2000 notes we have 100 rupees. Next one 3x. 3000 notes we have 100 rupees. Notes we have 100 rupees. Next one 5x. 5x we have 5000 notes of 10 rupees. So this is the required notes we are having with her. Okay. Okay, students, please note it down. I will go to the next problem. It is very easy. ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 ವರ್ಷ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ 100 ರೂಪಾಯಿ 50 ರೂಪಾಯಿ 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟೆಡ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ. ಅದು ರೇಷಿಯೋ 2x. ನೀವು ಏನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ x = 1000. ಸೊ 1000 into ಇದು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಇಷ್ಟು ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ. 200 300 3000 5000 ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ. ಓಕೆ, 14th one, 14 down. I will go to the next problem. So 15th problem. 15th one question is, I have a total of 300 in coin, 300 in coins. If the denominator 1 to 5, the number of 2 coins is 3 times the number of the 5 coins. The total number of coins is 160 coins. How many coins each denominator are with me? How many coins are each denominator are with me? So I have a total of 300 rupees in coins. 300 rupees in coins. Denominator 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupees denominator. She has the denominator 1 rupee, 2 rupees coin. The 2 rupee coin is 3 times the 5 rupees coin. Okay, these are coins. Let 5 rupee coins be x. So that the next sentence will be, the number of 2 rupee coin is 3 times the 5 rupee coin. So 2 rupee coin. Let 5 rupee coin be x. Let 2 rupee coin. So 2 rupee coin is 3 times of 5. So 5 rupee coin will be taken as x. So it will be 3x. 2 rupee coin we can write it as 3x. The total number of coins is 160. Total coins. This total coins we have 160. So students, now I will take it as this much. So I know this 5 I can write it as x. I will take it. So 2 I can write it as 3x. Here it is. So how much total coins are 160. So I will take it as 160 minus 4x. I will get the total coins of 1. This is a standard form. Okay. If we add all this, we will get total coins of 300 rupees. I will be getting. Okay, students. Now I will be adding all this. So it is a 1 rupee coin. So it is a 1 rupee coin. So I will be multiplying this one. So I will get the total now. 1 into this much means this much only I will get. 1 into 4x plus 2 3s are 6x plus 5 into 5x. Total coins how many are there? Rupees 300 rupees. In this way we can calculate the x1. Okay, now I simplify further. 160 is there. 160 I will take that side, means it will come 160 means 140. 6x plus 5x means 11x. 11x minus 4x means 7x. So x will get is at 20. We get x as 20. Now we have to find the coins. How many coins are there? So I will be taking 5 rupee coin. 5 rupee, 2 rupee, 1 rupee. These all are coins. So 5 rupee coin I have taken x. X means is nothing but 20. We have 5 rupee coin as 20. Now 2 rupee coin has 3x. So we will be counting as 60 coins we have. Now 1 rupee coin has 160 minus 4x. So 20. 420 is 80. 160 minus 80, 80. These many coins we will get. Okay students, try to understand the concept. I hope you get it. Little bit tricky is there, but you will surely, if you practice 2 to 3 times, or if you see again, rewind the video sheet, you will get it. Okay, note it down. I will go to the last problem of exercise 2.2. Okay. 16th one. The organization of an essay competition decided that the winner is of the competition 100 rupees will get. The loser will get 25 rupees. The total prize money distribution is 3000. Find the number of winners. We have to find the number of winners. In this, the number of participants is 63. Okay. Now it is a competition. Which competition? Essay competition. There is a essay competition. Winner gets 100 rupees, loser gets 25 rupees. The total money distributed 3000. Find the number of winners. Okay. Now in this one, I will take the winner will be x. I will take winner as x. Loser there are total 63 members. So I will take it as 63 minus x. So total loser members are 63 by x. So winner, first I will take winner. Loser. Winner gets 100 rupees. Loser gets 25 rupees. Total members will take the x. Loser takes 63 minus x. So if we multiply both this one, we will get it. 100 into this much is 100x plus total money. Total money how much is there? 3000. Total money is 3000. Okay. Now again 25 into 63 minus x is equal to 3000. So total money we got it. Okay students, now we have to find the number of winners. We have to find out the winner means x. We have to find out the value of x. So I will further solving this one. 100x plus 25 3 are 75. 25 plus 75. 25 6 are 150. 157 minus 25x is equal to 3000. Okay. 100 minus 25 means 75x is equal to 3000 minus 1.1575. If 75x is equal to 3000 minus 1065 means 1425. 75 ones are 75. 75 75, 25 this one, 1975 answer. Okay. X is equal to 19. The winner, total number of winners are x. So total winners are 19 are total will they get 100 rupees. Questions? Please note it down. Students, here we complete the exercise 2.2 completely. We have completed. So in the next class, I am going to take the next exercise 2.2. 2.3 I will be completing the whole this linear equation in one variable. Okay. I'm hoping that you are getting my topic very well. One more thing, friends. Please like it and share it as much as possible. Thank you.